Singapore got rich, Jamaica got left behind, but both started in the same position. Here's why. In the year 1960, Jamaica and Singapore were both poor, just gaining independence. No oil, no gold, just people. But one country became one of the richest in Asia, the other is still asking, what went wrong? Singapore invested heavily in education, built strong infrastructure, cracked down on corruption, and made it easy for global businesses to set up shop. They focused on exports, technology, and strategy. Jamaica borrowed heavily, trusted the wrong leaders, and got caught in crime, political tribalism, and debt traps. We had the talent, but lacked the vision. Jamaica could have been the Singapore of the Caribbean, but it's not too late. Follow at AlphaFoxJA if you believe we can rise again.